In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Real-Time Overview in Google Analytics 4. This is a great way to see what's happening on your website or app right now as it happens, so you can quickly spot issues, test new changes, or simply understand your live traffic a little better. To get started, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to your analytics property. If you have multiple accounts or properties, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one, especially if you manage several websites or apps. You can switch properties using the drop-down at the top of the screen if needed. Once you've confirmed that, you're ready to move into the reporting area. Next, look over to the menu on the left side of the screen. This is your main navigation in Google Analytics 4. Here is where you'll find all your reporting sections, including acquisition, engagement, monetization, and more. What we want right now is the section called Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports in the left-hand menu. When you open Reports, you're entering the part of Google Analytics where you can see both historical data and what's happening in real time. Think of it as the control center for all your insights. Even though there are a lot of options here, don't worry, we're going to focus on just one, the real-time section. If you're new to GA4, this layout might look a bit different from the older Universal Analytics interface, but the core idea is the same. Reports is where you go to understand user behavior and traffic patterns. Now, inside the Reports area, look for an option labeled Real-Time or Real-Time Overview. In most layouts, you'll see it listed near the top part of the Reports menu, often under a Life Cycle or Overview section. Click on Real-Time Overview. As soon as you click Real-Time Overview, Google Analytics will load a dashboard showing activity from the last 30 minutes. This is your live snapshot. Here you can usually see how many users are active on your site or app at this moment, where they're located geographically, what pages or screens they're viewing, and how they arrived at your property, such as from search, social media, or direct visits. Even though the original steps are simple, this page can tell you a lot. For example, you might use Real-Time Overview when you've just launched a new marketing campaign and you want to confirm that traffic is actually coming in. You can watch in real time as users start visiting your landing page. Or if your development team has just deployed a new version of your website or app, you can keep an eye on this overview to make sure people are still able to navigate normally and that traffic hasn't suddenly dropped. Another helpful use case is debugging your own events and conversions. If you trigger a specific action on your site, like submitting a form or clicking a key button, you can often see that reflected almost immediately in the real-time report. This helps you verify that your tagging and configuration are working the way you expect. Remember, Real-Time Overview is designed for quick checks and immediate feedback. It complements your longer-term reports, which you'll use to analyze trends over days, weeks, or months. Whenever you need an instant pulse check on your traffic, just head back to analytics.google.com, click Reports on the left, and then open Real-Time Overview to see what's happening right now.